Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello, welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I apologize that I forgot my crown at my desk. Today we're going to talk about the Dreamcloud Premier versus the Dreamcloud Luxury Hybrid. I have the Dreamcloud Luxury Hybrid on display here. The Luxury Premier is actually not being shown because it's in transition. It'll eventually, if you go to their website, you'll see it has a tan border. It will eventually have this blue border, and it'll be offered at the same price point. And it sounds like they're also going to introduce a new pillow top in the near future. So this is our #1 seller, $9.99 a queen. Fundamentally, it's a good bed. It's a decent bed for $9.99. Has wrap coils, memory foam, has some cashmere in here. As far as the profile goes, this is going to be, I believe, an inch less than the actual Dreamcloud Premier. We'll put that in the notes to give you the full. They don't tell you the coil count. Coil count isn't that big a deal in my opinion. If you're watching this video, I ask you, do you know your coil count? And the answer is probably no. So the one thing is they both have individually wrapped coils, which is great for motion separation. So between the two, my favorite is going to be the Luxury Premier because it is a hybrid. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, this is a tight top, has memory foam, feels great, $9.99. However, I feel that you can probably get better, if not the same, in a name brand mattress at $9.99. In fact, we have some special buys that I think you can get a little more bang for your buck at that price. But if having some cashmere, having a brand that has a ton of reviews, tons of outstanding reviews, and has the convenience of being put into a box so that you can just pick it up at a store and throw it in your car. If those all check your boxes, on top of the fact that it has a 365 comfort day guarantee where you get your money back, I think those are things that make sense to pay a little bit more because you have the luxury of waiting for a year, you can put it in a box, etc. So that's all I have for the difference between the Premier and the Luxury Hybrid for Dreamcloud. Tune in next week and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.